Swapy Network, the solution for universal access to credit. Swapy ICO presale is live. Presale started on March 19th, 2018. You know, early investors, Draper Associates, Investor, Minorca Millennials, Lenzaim, Digital Finance Group, Chainrock, Singularity University Ventures, Alpha Chain Capital. This is our dream for a future enabled by Swapy Network, a world of efficient credit markets with no barriers to entry for new players, where consumers have the power and reap the benefits of universal access to credit. Swapy Exchange. Swapy Exchange connects international investors from countries where the interest rates are lower to credit companies in countries where the interest rates are much higher, providing better returns to the first and lower cost capital for the latter. Swapy Financial ID. Swapy Financial ID empower individuals, giving them the right to a worldwide financial identity that's available anywhere in the world at any time. Swapy Data Market. Swapy Data Market transforms users' financial data into a value for the data owners. Now, individuals will hold their own data and choose how much tokens they receive in exchange for it, when they want to share, and for who. Swapy Network is a decentralized platform that aims to provide universal access to credit. What's Swapy Network benefits? Reduce cost of capital on emerging nations, better returns for lenders, financial identity for worldwide. Individuals have the rights and reap the value of their own data. Easily accessible and lower cost financial data source. Lower entry barriers for companies. And Swapy Roadmap. Q3 2017. Swapy's software development has started since July 1st, 2017. On July 31st, we released our Swapy Exchange Private Alpha as an preview containing the fundraising contracts. Q4, on October 10th, we released Swapy Exchange Public Alpha on Ropsten testnet and open sourced our protocol. Since then, we are developing site features for the fundraising flow, auditing our code base, and removing the dependency of a centralized login service. By mid-December, we will be releasing an update version of the Swapy Exchange D app. Q1, starting after TGE. Swapy Financial ID Public Alpha on testnet, providing identification and attestation to Swapy Exchange tokenized assets. Swapy Data Market Private Alpha on testnet, operating first-to-first data sales. Q2, starting after TGE. Swapy Exchange and Swapy Financial ID Private Beta on mainnet, transaction real tokens. Each credit company we are negotiation with will have their own timeline to start using the Swapy Exchange depending on the compliance process. Q3, starting after TGE. Swapy Exchange and Swapy Financial ID Public Beta on mainnet, public connect with Swapy ID API available. Anyone can use for any purpose and transact real tokens. Swapy data market on private beta, transacting real tokens and real data from Swapy financial ID. Q4 starting after TGE. Swapy data market public beta on mainnet. Swapy exchange and Swapy financial ID improvements. Planning to following year considering the community service.